Yo, this is, I have no words for this. Guys, this is by far the coolest car here. The James Bond Aston Martin DB5. And look at it. It's got a screen in the middle.
Good. You'll get your final briefing tonight. That'll be opener.
Wow, look at all the gadgets.
My name is Pussy Galore.
What would it take for you to see things my way?
Wow. Even got the smokes. What?
Show off.
This is the real deal, guys. That is epic. Got the spikes down there. Got the grenade. Wow. This is unbelievable.
Joe comes back.
007.
So Joe, I gotta ask.
Bond.
How do we deploy the machine guns?
Go right underneath. The machine guns. You hit
What? Yo, got the machine guns too.
Now they're not letting me shoot the oxygen.
Wow. This is
They're afraid that people would.
the coolest car right here in Quail.
Can you retract them? Front license plates. Turn. Front ram. Come out. Front ram. How do we shoot that? It's okay.
Yo, look at that. This thing just raised up. Now it's bulletproof. Yo, look at that license plate. Just flipped.
We dropped a lot.
So look at all the gadgets this car has. It got a prop gun, bulletproof shield and glasses, oil slick sprayer, Caltrops dispenser, smoke screen. Wow. This is just unbelievable. Look at the wheels. Boom.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are looking for the owner of the Lancia, the Rally
Goldfinger
Edition,
edition.
and in the post-war racing division, the owner of the Viper. It is well worth your while to go stand by your car right now. The Lancia
Felix Lyra. Big say goodbye to Felix. Night talk.